Hey, how's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching Sygtech. We have a very interesting DualSense charging dock for your PS5. Comes with a 4 USB Type-C dongles. This is very nice, and as you can see, you can charge two DualSense controller in the same time. This is nice. This is being sent from OIVO. Thank you very much for sending this product for review. So let's open it and yeah, let's have a look this interesting, nice DualSense charging dock for your PS5. So let's unbox it now. I'm very curious to see how this will look like. As always, it's nice to try new, interesting gear for your PS5. Nothing else in the box. I'm gonna leave the box just here on the side. Also, the charging dock comes with a cable, Type-C cable. This is always nice. What else we have here? We have the user manual. I'm gonna put this on the side. Oh, nice, lovely. Remove the plastic. This is nice. 4 USB Type-C dongles. As you can see, always nice to have 4 because you can lose them. And Type-C. And now, let me grab a DualSense controller and let's test it right now. Okay, so I have the DualSense controller here ready, and also, yeah, this is on. Let me switch it off. And now you plug this to your PC or directly to your PS5, and then the other side goes here. And then what do? Switch this on, and you grab one of the Type-C dongles and you just plug it here where is the DualSense controller. Bam, voila. And now this goes in, you should click. As you can see, we have a red, oh, it's orange. Also the DualSense controller pulsing as well. So that means that this is charging right now. I don't know if you can see closer. So I will zoom just to have an idea. So yeah, this is nice. I think it's nice. If I remove the controller, as you can see, and yeah, it's charging right now. So in my opinion, works very well. Yeah, I like the design. I wish this was orange, or maybe it's orange. It's kind of orangey, and maybe I wish if this is pulsing like the DualSense control, like, you know, pulse, you know. But it's nice. It's nice. This is gonna cost you about $20. I'm gonna put it in the description down below. All the links to this charging dock. Check the description down below if you want to purchase this. But it's nice. It's completely different from the main charging PS5 station that you can buy. This is a little bit different, a little bit bigger. Also, the DualSense controller is directed down. The original main PS5 station charging dock obviously stays like this, but it's personal preference. I don't mind. I think this looks different and doing the same job, as you can see. And yeah, I like it. Let me know, what do you think? You have a button here. You have 4 dongles if you lose them. If you lose 2, you still have 2. So it's nice. Yeah, let me know, what do you think? My name is Stefan. If you enjoyed today's video, give a like. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next video.